Hi friends, good to see you back. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you all for your support. Those who are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's do a very easy Independence Day painting which gives a message of peace. So this is easy for everybody to do, very easy, quick, but which gives a very good message. So let's do it in acrylic colors. So I have my artistic acrylic colors ready here, and have some brush. Mainly we'll use some flat brush and just one round brush to draw some details. We'll start with some Scarlet Lake, which is basically a little darker red, and then we'll go to some permanent yellow deep. So basically it looks like orange color, but it's actually a permanent yellow shade. And just blend it in, guys. Just blend it in using a flat brush. So I'm adding little darker colors in the first layer, so it will be easy for everybody to do. It will be fun. Mix those dark colors and then a little bit blend in with a permanent deep yellow. But if you don't have the yellow which looks this orange, you can maybe use orange. I give some little bit like clouds or leaves texture there for the saffron color area. Basically we're trying to draw the flag. Then I fill the middle region with a little white. Basically my acrylic color is dried up, so I'm using watercolor white here. So anyway, I won't be using that white for the watercolors. Then for the green area, so the flag colors, basically we are trying to represent the flag here. Take the dark green, whichever is available. So I'm using a Viridian green here. So just fill it out with Viridian green. Try to maintain some texture there, guys. Not just fill like a watercolor. We are using acrylic, so utilize the shades for the acrylic where we can give some texture like thing. So I'm trying to give again darker green, same green. I gave a little more texture. So I'm filling out, just adding some more lighter colors like lemon yellow or yellow ochre. Blend in with that green, so we'll get some lighter green hues. So rather than directly applying some green color just filled with single shade, let's make it look a little dynamic, guys. Let it have some good texture and good effects. So see how we are blending in the lemon yellow, so it gives out a light green texture here. Maybe it looks like some water or cloud or some plants texture there. So that looks really good. So same thing you can do for the saffron area. Instead of directly just drawing with saffron color, we give some very good shades which looks like sky, or maybe you can make it like a leaves so that it looks like autumn leaves. So bring out your creativity, guys. I'm not forcing you to do any particular way, so just showing you some techniques. You can utilize that. So we are putting in very good textures and then representing the flag. Now instead of Ashok Chakra, let's draw our beloved Mahatma Gandhi. So he is known as Gandhiji for the Indians. So he is the symbol for peace and non-violence. Not only in India, across the globe, he is known for peace and non-violence. So let's draw him here. I'm not using black or gray or any color. So guys, we are drawing in the area where we should be drawing Ashok Chakra, which is actually represented in the flag using indigo blue. So here we are trying to draw similar blue. So initially I'm drawing with the light blue just to get the base. So if you want, you can draw with pencil also if you find it difficult to draw directly with brush. So I have drawn Gandhiji is walking. This is very easy to draw. I think many would have already drawn. So very easy way to represent Gandhiji walking from behind. So that view is very easy to draw, guys. So you would have already seen that view. So mostly it will be represented as a black silhouette. So here we'll be drawing with the blue. Make sure you don't use any black or gray or any color. Let's use blue color, guys. So I have used the light blue. Then I am using Russian blue, which is kind of darkest blue available here. So if you have indigo blue or those kind of blues, you can go ahead, but don't mix it with the black or anything, guys. So let's draw two doves. So dove also, instead of full white, I'm representing with a little bit blue, just to bring out the missing Ashok Chakra blue color here. So basically we are representing all the colors of the flag, and in the Ashok Chakra region we are drawing two doves, basically white doves, but we are using little blue tint here to represent the doves. So they are flying with we'll draw some olive leaves too, which is the symbol of peace. So we have Gandhiji here and also doves to represent the peace. So it is easy to draw here, I think, dove. If you find it difficult, try to draw with pencil and then you can do the coloring part. So if you're okay, use some very thin brush. Here I'm using a size 2 brush, which is a round brush. So whichever easy for you, use it. Maybe you can use some sketch pen if you want. So it's up to you guys, use your creativity. Maybe instead of dove we can do some other thing also. Maybe some dove coming out from a cage to represent freedom. So I'm giving that part to you. Use your creativity. So let's give little more details to Gandhiji. I am drawing with Russian blue, again with a little darker tinge, so that it looks somewhat like silhouette but not with the black. And to make it more dynamic, I am drawing more birds. Basically these are more doves which are flying from some far distance towards Gandhiji. So we are trying to show the freedom for all. So a lot of birds flying. The flying birds represents freedom, guys. So I am representing those flying doves. There are a lot of them, which means freedom to all and peace to all. Let there be non-violence. So this picture is a real message for everyone to have peace and non-violence across the globe. So we are going through some difficult times. So let's not fight over any other thing. Let's work together and let's save humanity during this difficult time. So that's the message we are trying to give through this very, very simple painting. So it's simple but beautiful, guys. So once again, happy Independence Day to all. So hope all of you can try this out. So I hope it looks very beautiful but very simple, and we represent it using very simple but good textures, and we gave out a good message of peace at this time. So let everybody across the world go and work for the peace, and let there be non-violence everywhere. Let's work together, guys, and work together to save the humanity, and work together to save everybody from these difficult times. So thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope all of you like it. Once again, happy Independence Day to all. See you again next time with some another good painting tutorial. So those who are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.